There you go, Chris.
Yeah.
No more leaks. Like I said, you come back tomorrow. Double plate
Yeah.
for you, no problem.
All right. Alright guys, it is currently the next day, man, and I'm about to go up here and get this sensor fixed. But before we get started, man, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this I'm going to start this car up, man, get this cool start inside the car. Like I said before, man, it's not that loud in the inside anymore. And actually I was actually thinking about doing a muffler delete to see how the car sounds without the mufflers on it. But I'm just annoyed to do it because I don't want it to be too loud, because I like the way my car sounds really, because it sounds kind of subtle. I mean, you can hear it when I get on it, but it has a nice little rumble right now. But I'm kind of skeptical about deleting the mufflers, but I may do it just to see how it sounds. The guy at the muffler shop said he would do it for me, and if I didn't like it, he just put my mufflers back on. So I'm gonna head it up here, man. Also, I'm gonna see if I can get this other tire. I really don't like having two different tires on the rear, because that could actually cause a problem, because the tires will be spinning at two different RPMs. You know, based on the tread, that could be an issue. So it just depends, man, what kind of price he give me. If not, I'm just gonna order the tire, since I know what kind of tire it is. I know a couple websites that I can get the tire from. But first things first, man, we're gonna go up here. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on too. I should have done that before I pulled off. Always put the seatbelt on before you leave, before you pull off in the car. But first things first, man, I'm gonna go up here and get this sensor fixed and talk to them, see if I can get this other tire. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I'm having so many problems with these sensors and stuff with these wheels, man. I just had the sensor replaced, and look. Now I was reading okay when I left the tire place, and on my way home, now it's not even reading. So I don't know, man. I guess I'm about to take guess I gotta take it back up there. But I ain't gonna be able to do it today. I mean, I got too much stuff to do. Hopefully, maybe it'll start registering. I don't know, man. He tried to reset all the sensors so they can be reading properly. The machine couldn't even pick up the signal from the sensors. So that's the headache about having these aftermarket wheels on these Dodges, man, is it's always something with these damn sensors. Especially these wheels I got. For some reason, these wheels are a big headache, bro. Like, from day one when I had them installed, it was a problem. And I did a video on that, and I've been having problems as far as these sensors ever since I've had these wheels. That's why I do not recommend changing the wheels on these Dodges, man, because I feel like the wheels that Dodge put on here are made for these cars, and every time you start moving stuff around and changing stuff, you have problems. I had the same issue with my other Dodge, my V6. And I know some people don't have any problems, but me personally, I've always had problems with the wheels when I change them on my Dodges. I don't know why. So that means when I get a Hellcat, even if I get a Scat Pack, I'm not changing the wheels. I don't care. I know people put 24s and 26s. I ain't doing all that. And first of all, that's not even my style. You know what I'm saying? I could do maybe 22s, and I'm not even gonna do that. Whatever come on the car, that's what I'm gonna keep on there. Because this right here is just ridiculous, man. It's a headache, bro. So I got the tires on here. I got the new sensor, but it's still not reading. So I'm gonna give it a little time. Hopefully it'll it'll start registering, but if not, I'm gonna have to take it back. But today's video, I told you guys, let me pull on. I told you guys I told you guys when it was daylight, I would go back to the dealership and look at the 2020 Scat Packs that's on the lot. And it was raining earlier, but it stopped raining. Now I'm headed to the dealership to see if I can get a good look, get a better look at these 2020 Scat Packs, because I couldn't really see nothing because it was dark at first. So now I'm about to go up here and see if I can get a better look at the Scat Packs. So let's go. All right, guys, I'm here on the lot and looking for the Scats, man. I don't see them jumps. Oh, there they go. They on that side. They moved them. I guess they probably don't want people to see. Don't nobody messing with them jumps. So we're gonna pull up right here anyway. Oh, they still on the same side. FA green joint, they got an orange joint. So we're gonna get a better look at these joints right now. Alright, so I wonder if this is 2020 right here. This orange jump. Let's see. Yep, this is 2020 and it's open. So let's get in here and see if we can see anything different. Now, the only thing I see, like I said before, was the dashboard. Got the 392 on it. But other than that, man, everything still look the same. Steering wheel's the same. Dashboard the same. Let's see. Yep. Nothing's different there. This is up. Everything's the same, guys. This one has a sunroof. The seats is different. This got the B on there. Seats still the same. Yup. All the buttons still the same. Nothing different in that department. So, like I said last time, it's pretty much the same car as a 2016, 2015, 2016, 17, 18, 19, it's the same car. So look at the price. Base price 39. This one the total 43. Gold mango. Got the cloth seats. 4 piston Brumbos. Yep, same car, bro. Same car. Nothing different, guys. Look the same. Got the B on there. Got the Scat Pack on the back. So, what's this on the tire? Carbon fiber. Okay. Never really noticed that before. And here's a black one. This one got the gold wheels on it. Yep. This one locked, but this one got the red interior. Now I know this one probably costs a little bit more. Yeah, see this one 48. This one has ruby red interior with the Napa leather. Yep, it's a whole different car here. This got more options. Got the Pirelli tires on it. These cars dirty as hell. They need to clean these joints. But other than that, man, it's the same car. So there's really no point in walking around looking at all of them, because I like this FA green though. We're gonna look at this joint. I just wanted to get a look at them during the day. This is nice, man. See if somebody up there ready to buy one. It's a 2020. Then this one, 44. F8 green. See what they got. Let's see, go up there and be nosy. All these are 2020s. Yep. Stars and stripes. Yeah.
These are 9-inch. Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
This is an SXT.
I ain't looking at V6s. I'm about saying people buy the V6s. That's for sure. Especially in this area, man. This one's 46. This is 2020. Like I said, got those gold wheels. Or bronze wheels, however you want. Let me see what they say. What is the exact color of these damn wheels? Let me see. Standard equipment. 20-inch low gloss granite crystal wheels. So they call these granite crystal. Wait a minute. Yep. They look bronze to me. We got the octane red one. Yep, guys, everything's the same. The inlets. Yep. And then this one's 42. 2020. Look at this. Yep, this is just like the other one. Love that smell though. Damn, it smells good. New Cosmic. Now I'm going over and I see this Challenger over here. This could possibly be somebody's car though. How you doing? All right. Oh no, this is a new joint. This is 20. Yeah, this is a 2020 Challenger Scat Pack. Okay. This is, I ain't see this the last time. Yeah, this is tight right here. Yep. And this one is open too, so let's get inside this joint. This one looks just like the other ones. Act like I don't know that. It's nice though, man. This is a nice car, bro. Yep. Nothing different. Let's see. Leave your comments, man. What you think? I mean, if you don't have one and they can give you a good deal on a 2020, I see why you would get a 2020. But I just don't see why you would not just go with a 19, because you can probably get $10,000 off. And this is an all-wheel drive one right here. But this is a 19, so you know you can get a SXT. You can get a heck of a deal on this joint. Yeah, but this Challenger is tight. This is tight. So if you're expecting something different out of the 2020 Challengers, Charger, Scat Packs, it's not wide body. It's no difference. I don't see no Trackhawks out here or nothing though. So, you know, definitely need some new products, man, because everything's looking the same. V6s, 5.7, Scats, Hellcats, all I'm looking the same. Like the silver one though, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. 44 for this one. What's the wheel color on these, on this one? All of it say low gloss granite crystal wheels. So maybe these are the granite crystal wheels. Those other ones aren't no granite crystal. I don't care what they say. Those aren't granite crystal right there. Them bronze. This is a 5.7, 2019. Probably get a hell of a deal on this car. 41. Yep. Yep. Look just like mine. How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
All right. Oh, this is a Scat. Oh, this is a 2020. Yeah, this is 2022. Yep. Yep. It's 2020. But that's it, guys. That's all I see out here. Like I said, it's the same cars, but just a little closer look at them. Pretty much just looking at the same thing over and over again now. But like I said, if you in the market for a Scat Pack, you don't have one, I mean, I don't see why not try to get a 2020, but as you see, it's the same car as the 19s. So, and I'm pretty sure you can get, with these employee discounts and, you know, all these other discounts that FCA is giving right now, you can get a heck of a deal on a 2019 right now. And I'm saying that, but still ain't enough for me right now. I'm still gonna hold fast, just because I'm just not ready at this point. But let me see if I can see if they got any Trackhawks or anything like that out here. I don't see none. They must have sold that one Trackhawk they had, because I haven't seen that car in that truck in months. Yes, sir. 2020. Oh, they got the regular jumps right there. I still like those. But get out of your way, man. I see some Chargers and Challengers hiding over there behind them Jeeps. And it's a nice Challenger right there. That don't look like it's hidden. Alright guys, so that was just a closer look at the 2020 Scat Packs. Those cars look like they haven't even been processed yet. They just sitting on the lot. But as you saw, man, it's just pretty much the same car as a 2019 or 2018. But you know, it's just good to get a closer look at the 2020 Scat Packs. I know everybody's waiting for the wide bodies. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a video of the wide body, the Daytona 50th anniversary Hellcat. It's pretty nice, man. So if you want to see that video, go follow me on Instagram. So once I'm able to test drive one of the new 2020 Scat Packs, I'll definitely do a video on that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always say, some people don't like when I go to the lots, but again, I always get comments of people saying they enjoy when I go to the lots. That way they get to see what's out here. So if this is your first time joining my channel, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.